Building a culture of improvement in your organization can be challenging. The old approach to service or process level improvement is reactive, expensive, and unstructured. Continual Improvement Management helps you find new improvement opportunities across processes, people, and services through pre-built integrations like performance analytics and machine learning. Additionally, you can easily plan and align your improvement initiatives with your business strategy. This eliminates approval barriers and increases transparency for all the key stakeholders on where the improvements are happening and how they'll help achieve your business goals. Continual improvement is a cycle of 4 steps. Identify improvement opportunities, plan and implement those initiatives, measure the impact using KPIs, and share the value you've achieved. Using this cycle consistently creates a culture of continuous improvement in your organization. Set KPI-based SMART goals to measure the impact of your improvement initiative. The value of these changes can then be shared to help monitor progress from beginning to end. This ensures that your services and processes remain structured, proactive, and value-driven by becoming a central framework that remains in alignment with your business objectives. Once enabled, CIM provides full integration across many ServiceNow applications and services. This helps break down silos and add transparency between organizations within your company. The CIM Workbench is where improvement managers and improvement coordinators can easily plan and prioritize initiatives in a user-friendly interface. The CIM dashboard displays the progress of all CIM data tracked in the application. This allows you to compare outcomes to expectations as they relate to the overall business goals of your organization. Continual Improvement Management helps bring process improvement opportunities and ideas from any application or employee into one place. With a context-rich dashboard and workbench, your process improvement ideas and initiatives are prioritized to highlight the outcomes and milestones for your business goals. Try it out today. For more information, see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.